We're getting you news about a cloudburst that took place in Uttarakhand. Relentless rains are continuing to wreak havoc across the state of Uttarakhand, with Dehradun witnessing a massive cloudburst that took place, and this left a trail of destruction. Roads have been washed away. We're showing you pictures. Roads have been washed away. Shops have been damaged. Normal life has been thrown out of gear in the state. In these pictures that you can see this is the Tamsa River that is seen swelling dangerously amid the ongoing heavy rainfall. There are fears of further flooding. Rescue teams have been deployed and authorities are currently on high alert. But on your screens, you're seeing pictures of the destruction that has been caused due to the cloudburst. My colleague Mohit is with us. Mohit, as we show our viewers these alarming pictures that are coming in from the state of Uttarakhand after this cloudburst in Dehradun that led to destruction. What is the current situation on ground? Take us through the latest updates.
Yes, in fact, there was certain relief for people in Uttarakhand from rain from past a week or so, but suddenly from yesterday, we saw that heavy rain lashed Dehradun, Rishikesh area, and now what we can see in this visual that these winds have wreaked havoc over there, and the administration is trying to ensure that relief and rescue operations are taking place. The SDRF is on the ground. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Pushkar Singh Dhami, is continuously monitoring the situation. But when we talk about Rishikesh and Dehradun specifically, and Sahastradhara area in Dehradun, the situation is quite serious, where heavy rain have lashed parts of Dehradun and Rishikesh. The rivers over there are on boil, and we also know for a fact that how many of the shops and residential areas.
Mohit, I'm just going to interject because our colleague Abhishek Sinha is joining us live from Dehradun. अभिषेक, ग्राउंड पे सिचुएशन क्या है, दर्शकों को बताइए।
देखिए, ग्राउंड की मैं इस समय ग्राउंड जीरो पे हूँ। आप मेरे पीछे तस्वीरें दिखाता हूँ मैं सबसे पहले। ये तस्वीरें हैं सहस्त्रधारा की, और सहस्त्रधारा जो पर्यटक स्थल है ये राजधानी देहरादून से तकरीबन 5 से 7 किलोमीटर दूरी पे है, और ये तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं।
ओके,
जमावट तथा आप तस्वीरें हैं, आप इसे देखकर अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं। इस समय मूसलाधार बारिश चल रही है, बादल फटने की घटना है, कई लोगों के गायब होने की भी सूचना आ रही है, लेकिन अभी इसकी आधिकारिक पुष्टि नहीं हुई है। तो अंदाजा आप लगाइए जिससे भयंकर।
Viewers, my colleague Abhishek is reporting live from Dehradun because of the weather condition and because he is reporting from such a challenging terrain. You will find there is some difficulty in connection, but to give you a sense of what exactly is happening, this is a cloudburst. Heavy rainfall has triggered cloudburst. We are also going to take you through what the Chief Minister has said. Abhishek, we will connect with Abhishek shortly. The Chief Minister's office has also taken note. This is from the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. The Chief Minister's office says, and I quote, मुख्यमंत्री श्री पुष्कर सिंह धामी ने देहरादून के सहस्त्रधारा में देर रात हुई अतिवृष्टि से कुछ दुकानों को नुकसान पहुंचने की घटना पर दुख व्यक्त किया है। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा है कि जिला प्रशासन, एसडीआरएफ, पुलिस मौके पर पहुंचकर राहत और बचाव कार्यों में जुट गए। So the Chief Minister's office has taken note of the prevailing situation that has been triggered due to the cloudburst. The Chief Minister has in fact instructed authorities to be on the ground and help people. He's also constantly, Pushkar Singh Dhami is also constantly monitoring the situation.